Welcome to Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. On today's show, we're going to go ahead and check out the new NVidia Shield Pro for 2019. We check out the new remote, and let's see everything else on how awesome it is or isn't. Real quick, before we get started, go ahead and slap that like button, because I know you're going to love it. Thanks. Let's get this unboxed. This is the NVidia Shield Pro for 2019. And as we go ahead and cut this open, I'm going to go ahead and take it all out. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we got the remote. It's the new design remote. It's kind of like in a triangle type shape. It's much bigger than just the standard flat remote. And then here's the new shiny Shield Pro. Now underneath that here we got the power adapter. Let's see what else we got here. Alright, got the support guide and quick start guide. Don't really need either of these. Let's just plug it in and get going. Now, one thing that was actually pretty disappointing for me is that the GeForce Now platform is just in beta. So that means all the games that my son saw on the TV earlier tonight that he really wanted to play and have me download, I couldn't. All I could do was just apply for their beta program and hope that I'll get accepted in. NVIDIA, if you're watching, please take it out of beta or approve people's access much faster, because it's very disappointing in the way that the platform actually presents those games to you, that you think that you're able to access them when you actually can't. Please help all the little children out there that are going to be throwing temper tantrums when their parents bring home this box for them by just making it straight out of the box able to play. That's all I'm asking. And during the setup, I had a couple of little hiccups. At first, I kept on saying that it needed to be connected to Wi-Fi even though I had Ethernet connected to it. I went ahead and disconnected it, reconnected it, and then it was just fine. Then, when I tried to set up a cheap Chinese Bluetooth gamepad, it went ahead and was able to be added to the NVIDIA Shield. However, even though it saw it, it wouldn't let me actually use it. Now, I had another gamepad laying around that was from an older Google device that was a beta testing platform from several years ago, and that paired right up just fine. And it just works great. And one thing I'm curious about is whether or not I'll be able to mount NFS storage on my NAS as local storage. If I can do this, that would be pretty cool, but I'm not going to hold my breath. So I'll probably just get an external hard drive or SSD and plug it in and just call it a day. Now this performs great with Netflix and other streaming content. The AI upscaling was very impressive, even on YouTube. And in just a sec here, I'll go ahead and show you guys an example here from a recording that I took in front of the TV. Now here I'm changing the upscaling settings between the AI enhanced and regular, and you can see here with the slider you can actually really see the difference in the print that's on the TV. Now I'm shooting this in 4K from my phone. Now one thing I was a little bit disappointed about is that in Plex it didn't seem to give me the ability to be able to use the AI upscaling, and I'm not sure if that is something that's around the corner or if it is specific to the apps themselves. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my purchase and hope to see some updates coming from NVIDIA on this to go ahead and make things a more pleasant experience, especially with my kids wanting to play all the games. Thanks.